My mileage was 48,000 miles with mine blue. So there you go, 6,000 miles, new bottom end. So I know a lot of y'all gonna be like, yo, Steph, the motor is out. Why you not going in? Why you not going ham? Cause it ain't y'all money, that's why. Another thing that we gotta talk about is the condition of my blower. As you guys can see, it's like oil all up in there. What are we gonna do? How are we gonna fix it? I'll tell you now. Yo, what's up everybody? It's Stephen here from Mod2Fame and we are back with another video. That's right, man, you see it. The wait is finally over. Y'all been asking me, y'all been badgering me, y'all been hitting me. What's going on with the Hellcat? Hey, look, that's what we're gonna talk about right now, man. We're gonna jump into the video. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's go. By the way, before we jump into the meat and the potatoes and I'm showing y'all this car, I need you to do me a favor. A lot of y'all are watching these videos and not subscribed. Do yourselves a favor right now, subscribe. And also like this video if you haven't already. Trust me, I never disappoint. I never let y'all down with the quality of the content. So anyway, let's jump into it. I want to show y'all this car. Come on. All right, so first things first, man. Let's talk about where we are status-wise. Come on, I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Let's go. So status-wise, this is where we are, guys. That is the bottom end that we're gonna be putting in Cheapokitty. It came out of a 6,000 mile Hellcat as well. My mileage was 48,000 miles with mine blue. So there you go, 6,000 miles, new bottom end. The reason why I decided to just go with a new bottom end is because it's a lot easier than trying to rebuild my bottom end and go through all of that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean all this up a little bit. That's gonna be it, man. So we're just gonna use this bottom end right here. What we also did was over here, come on, walk over here with me real quick. These right here are my new heads. They all wrapped up, ready to go. Why did I not just repair my heads? I didn't repair my heads because, again, it's the same thing. This is easy to do. I got these off of a very low mileage Hellcat as well. So there you go. New heads, new bottom is over there. Simple as that, right? And this right here is my whole assembly. This is the way that it was dropped out of the car. They end up just dropping the whole front cradle is the way to drop the motor. Simple does it, easy does it. You know what I'm saying? So I know a lot of y'all gonna be like, yo, Steph, the motor is out. Why you not going in? Why you not going ham? Why you not forging it? Why you not this? Why you not that? Cause it ain't y'all money, that's why. Seriously though, guys, these motors are religiously good until like that, 1,000 wheel horsepower mark. And temporarily drag strip spray, some of them are running 1,100 wheel horsepower on a stock motor, nothing done. So yes, it would be added insurance if I decided to go ahead and do drop-in pistons, rods and all that kind of stuff. And we considered doing that. As a matter of fact, I reached out to a couple companies to see if they wanted to work with your boy. You know what I mean? Because you got to think about it. Anything that I do to this car, not only are y'all seeing this video now, but for the next 10 years, as people blow up their Hellcats and repair them, they're going to watch this same series. So these companies would be eaten for mad long. So basically, my thought process is if I'm putting anything or doing anything to this car and I'm using a company to do it and we not doing it together and they not either breaking me off or something like that in terms of sponsorship or a severely discounted rate, then it doesn't make sense for me to do it. My goal for this car is I want to be just reliable at 950 wheels. That's my goal. So how are we gonna get there? First thing we're gonna do is go ahead and put the motor back together. But when we put it back together, this right here adds no power. It's just a little bit of added insurance. We're gonna use ARP head studs and upgraded gaskets. I believe Cometic, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong though, so don't hold me to that. But I know we're using APR head studs, upgraded gaskets. And in addition to that, just as a safety precaution, we changing the timing chain. Obviously, we're not gonna put back the same one, and we going to do lifters as well. So all of that stuff is just a little bit of added insurance, because y'all know I like to rev the hell out of this. this car. At some points, we were spinning it up to 7,100 RPMs. We dropped that, and we probably gonna be spinning it somewhere around like 68. So, like I said, you know, lifters don't hurt to work on. Another thing that we gotta talk about is the condition of my blower. Yeah, come on, let's talk about it. Let me show you. So this right here, guys, is my dirty ass blower. As you guys can see, it's like oil all up in there, even down to the rotors, oil on the rotors, everything, right? And also, listen to it. Let's see if you can hear it. All right, you should not hear anything when you spin these rotors. Mine is not bad, but it's not great either. What are we gonna do to correct this? What we're gonna do is, first of all, why? Why is it like this? I ran this car for a very long time with no catch can. So my assumption, and what we're kind of assuming, is the fact that there was a lot of oil blow by, a lot of oil pass through. Another thing that I did that you should not do, take it from me, I made a video with Tall Guy Car Reviews, and it was installing a K&N filter in my car. So the K&N drop-in filter is oil-based. So where does all that oil base go with a high power application like this? It sucks it, that's right, you guessed it, right in through the air system. I think it's a mix of no catch can as well as the oil blow-by from not having a catch can. So I later added one, but I didn't add one till much later. So I was driving for a long time without that. What are we gonna do? How are we gonna fix it? I'll tell you now. So the plan is, what we're gonna do is today, right now, we're going to package up my blower and we are going to send it out. And who are we sending out to? None other than Joker's Performance, because I wanted to potentially just do a ported snout, but they actually offer like a race port blower job. And part of that race port blower job that they do is really cool. They actually rebuild with ceramic bearings as opposed to the plastic bearings. They go through it pretty much. I just went to their Instagram earlier today and they had a Audi that had a similar blower setup. I don't know if you guys realize that, but this is a root style blower setup from the factory. And Audi's use the same style. And his blower looked like mine with all the oil blow by and all that kind of stuff on it. So they was showing the difference between when they first got it and when it was done, and the cleaning and the rebuilding of it. I cannot wait. I can't wait. So we rebuilding the blower. Not only rebuilding the blower, we're going to do their race port with ceramic bearings and all of that. I'm gonna let them explain that to you, because we're gonna make another video with me and them on the phone, and I'll let them explain what they're doing. But typically what we've been seeing from their race port blower jobs is these cars picking up anywhere from about 50 to 60 wheel horsepower using the same pulley. Boom, that's what we're doing today, man. We're gonna package this baby up. But let me tell you a little bit more about what else we're doing. Dude, is that a Supra? Wow, Fast and Furious, man. MK4 right here. But anyway, so what else we doing to the car, man? I already told you, we got the new bottom end, we got the new heads. We gonna clean all of that up. We doing upgraded head gaskets, ARP head studs. We sending the blower out to get Joker's Performance race blower port setup that we're doing. In addition to that, the last thing that, when I was talking to y'all the last time and we said everything that was wrong with the car, I showed y'all my clutch. And man, did y'all light me up in the comments. Most of y'all was like, oh, that sucks, that's effed up. But a couple of y'all was like, oh, that's because you can't drive. That's your fault. That's what happens. You rolled the clutch. That's all them launches you did, all the burnouts. Yo, everybody has something to say. Let me tell y'all what really happened. Let me tell you what McLeod actually had to say what happened. Matter of fact, it's technical, so I'm gonna read this. I don't make clutches, so I wanna make sure I give y'all the right information. So McLeod said the pressure plate stud stands were shimmed incorrectly, causing the clutch to slip. What does that mean, ladies and gentlemen? That means that it was not me. As I said, it was the damn clutch. I told y'all that. I'm like, I've been driving stick shift cars for years. I know how to drive a stick shift car, and that's why I be gapping your favorite whips, because I can drive. Anyway, so what that also means is, you know all that racing I was doing and winning? You know what I'm saying? You know, your favorite McLaren, and here go cheapo, bah. Your favorite BMW, here go cheapo, bah. Your favorite Camaro, here go cheapo, boom. Your favorite other Hellcat, and here go cheapo, boom. Out on them. Through all of that, your favorite Mustang, boom, cheapo, out on them. At the drag strip, I can't reach 10s. I'm like, yo, what the hell is going on? Why can't this car? And my car is trapping like 134 when it really should be trapping 140 something, 142, 143. It should be like in that range. Low 140 to like 143 based on the power it was making. I'm like, what the hell is going on? This is the reason, guys. My clutch been slipping since day one. Since day one, my clutch been slipping, fam. And we still was out here putting in this work.
AKA, y'all need to put some respect on my name. I'm out here with one hand behind my back, gapping people, bro. With a slipping clutch. Anyway, ultimately, I guess we could say McLeod did the right thing. They sending me another one. Hopefully, though, it actually holds the power this time. Very, muy importante. Anyway, let's summarize this thing. Come on. Oh, what? This whole thing? Oh, Whipple G? That's nothing. Everything be here in track. Y'all done seen it all. Yo, so the ultimate thing is, let's summarize what we doing. We're gonna put the motor back together, get it cleaned up. ARP head studs, upgraded head gaskets. We're gonna go ahead and put the heads back on. We're gonna do timing chain, upgraded lifters. We're gonna do ported blower, new clutch, and everything is gonna go back in. And once everything go back in, guys, the goal, the ultimate goal, what we look to make when we bring it back here and put it on the dyno, like this Jeep is on the dyno right now, 950 wheel. 950 wheel. That's the goal. That's what we gotta make. You know what I'm saying? And we gotta run that reliably. How are we gonna fuel it though, is the question. And it's the last key element to what we doing. Whether it's going to be FIC or whether it's gonna be ID, we are gonna go with the bigger injector. Currently I have ID 1050s, but I told y'all I'm not buying no company that's not supporting the channel. You feel me? So I gotta call out to both ID and I gotta call out to FIC. Whoever comes through with them injectors for your boy, that's what I'm gonna go with. If it's FIC, it's gonna be 1200. If it's ID, it's 1300 injectors. And we're gonna run a booster pump so that it can help deliver the fuel more aggressively so that we can run what? That corn. We finally gonna go ahead and run the corn, man. We strayed away and ran from it as long as we could, but that's what we gotta do. So I got a 55-gallon drum in my garage ready to go. Right now, let's get the process started. Let's go ahead and package up this blower and get it shipped out. Come on. All right, guys, so we got the supercharger put back together. We bolted it up enough that we could ship it out safely. Let's actually take this off. I don't want to send anything extra that they don't need. I don't think they're gonna need my pulley either. So we should take off the pulley and that hose in the back. Everything else we could probably leave. They'll know what to do with it. Let's get that done and then we'll throw it in the box. And as you guys can see, we now have the pulley off. And this thing is about ready to ship, man. This thing is about ready to ship, so we'll go ahead and get it in the box, get it packaged. So I don't know if you guys know, but these superchargers are heavy. So 2 guys on a job to get it in the box. Uh-oh, the box too small. What if, yeah, I was gonna say, what if we caddy corner it? No, still too small. All right, guys, so here we go. My blower in a box. We're gonna stuff it up a little bit more. I'm gonna package it up some more so it doesn't move around. But so far, blower in a box, baby. And let's plastic it up. Wrap it up, fellas, wrap it up. Always wrap it up. It's always safest when you wrap it up. I don't care how good it looks, wrap it up. And then the last piece of the puzzle. There we go. Well, guys, man, that was a lot of work. We got it done. Supercharger all packed away, about to get picked up by UPS, headed out to Joker's Performance. Man, if you like this video though, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, hit that bell notification so you don't miss no more videos going forward. But until the next one, it's your boy Stephen here from Mod2Fame. And with this Hellcat build that doesn't have a name, we out.